Starting a business is a dream for many. The allure of being your own boss, controlling your destiny, and reaping the rewards of your hard work is powerful. But reality paints a different picture. Statistics show a stark truth. Most small businesses fail within the first few years. This isn't meant to discourage, but to awaken you to the reality. The path to entrepreneurial success is littered with the remnants of businesses that started with the same fire in their belly, the same passion, the same dreams. Why do so many fail? Often it's not a lack of skill or passion, but a lack of understanding about what it truly takes to build a thriving business. The skills that make you good at your craft are only one piece of the puzzle. To succeed, you need to master the art of business itself. One of the biggest traps entrepreneurs fall into is the assumption that being great at their craft translates to being great at running a business. This couldn't be further from the truth. Imagine a talented baker, passionate about crafting delicious pastries. They open a bakery, pouring their heart and soul into every croissant and cake. They're good, really good, at what they do. Customers love their creations, but soon they find themselves drowning in inventory, struggling with pricing, and overwhelmed by the demands of managing employees. Their passion alone isn't enough to keep the business afloat. This scenario plays out repeatedly in the business world. Being a skilled technician, a baker, a plumber, a consultant is not the same as being a successful entrepreneur. Business acumen involves a different set of skills: financial management, marketing, operations, leadership, and more. Failing to recognize this distinction is a recipe for disaster. Within every business owner reside three distinct personalities: the entrepreneur, the manager, and the technician. Understanding these personalities and their roles is crucial to building a successful business. The technician? This is the doer, the one with the technical skills. They're passionate about their craft and take pride in their work. For the baker, it's the joy of baking. For the plumber, it's the satisfaction of a job well done. The manager. This personality craves order and predictability. They focus on systems, processes, and ensuring things run smoothly. They create schedules, manage inventory, and handle the day-to-day operations. The entrepreneur. This is the visionary, the dreamer, the one who sees the bigger picture. They're constantly innovating, seeking new opportunities, and driving the business forward. The problem is that most entrepreneurs get stuck in the technician role. They're so busy doing the work that they neglect the crucial tasks of managing and growing the business. Section 4. From technician to business owner. Transitioning from a technician to a true business owner requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to building a business that works, not just in spite of you, but without you. Here's how. First, embrace the entrepreneur within. Devote time to work your business, not just your business. Think about the future, envision your ideal business, and set clear goals. Next, develop your manager mindset. Create systems and processes for everything. Document procedures, delegate tasks, and implement systems to track finances, inventory, and customer interactions. Then, hire for your weaknesses. Don't be afraid to bring on people who are stronger than you in areas where you struggle. Delegate tasks that don't require your unique skills, and focus on what you do best. Finally, systematize your operations. Imagine you're franchising your business. What systems and processes would you need to ensure consistency and quality across multiple locations? Implement those systems now. Section 5. Building a business that works without you. The ultimate goal is to build a business that can operate independently of you, the owner. This doesn't mean you disappear completely. It means creating a self-sustaining entity that can thrive even when you're not directly involved in the day-to-day operations. Think of your business as a machine. Each part of the machine has a specific function, and all the parts work together to produce a desired outcome. Your role is to design the machine, build the parts, and ensure they work together seamlessly. By creating systems, defining roles, and making yourself replaceable, you create a business that is not dependent on your constant presence. This is the key to freedom, scalability, and long-term success. Remember, you don't want to just own a job, you want to own a business that works for you, even when you're not there.